children. Today we're going to learn about plants. Learning standard for today's lessons is compare and contrast parts of plant. In this lesson, we're going to identify parts of plant and state the characteristics of different parts of plants. Now, let's take a look at this plant. Do you know what plant is this? This is a balsam plant. It has flower, leaf, stem, and root. You can find this plant at your school compound. Do you know what plant is this? It's a hibiscus plant. Can you name the parts of this plant? This is the flower, leaf, stem, and root. Every plant has parts with different characteristics. This is a lotus plant. It has flower. It's a flowering plant. Can you name this plant, children? It's a fern plant. It has no flower. Instead, it has spores underneath the leaves. Thus, fern plant is a non-flowering plant. Look at this durian tree. It has a woody stem. A woody plant is a plant that produces wood as its structural tissue and thus has a hard stem. On the other hand, a papaya plant has a non-woody stem. Different plants also have different types of leaf vein and root. This is the leaf of a rose plant. This leaf has netted veins. On the other hand, the leaf of a pandanus plant has parallel veins. A rose plant has taproot. In taproot, the main root growing vertically downward. A pandanus plant has fibrous root. A fibrous root forms a dense network of roots that is closer to the soil surface. Look at these two plants. This is the balsam plant and this is lemongrass plant. Can you find the similarity between the plants? Both balsam plant and lemongrass plant have flowers. Thus, their similarity is they both have flowers. Now, can you find the differences between the two plants? Look at their leaves. Do they look different or similar? The balsam leaf has netted veins, while the leaf of the lemongrass plant has parallel veins. Next, I want you to observe their roots. Can you notice the difference? The balsam plant has taproot, but the lemongrass plant has fibrous root. This is an orchid plant, and this is the fern plant. Which plant is the non-flowering plant? The orchid has flowers, but the fern doesn't have flower. It has spores. Thus, the fern plant is the non-flowering plant. Can you name this plant, children? This is a pine tree. This is a coconut tree. Which one is the flowering plant? Coconut tree has flowers, but pine tree doesn't have flower. It has cones. Thus, the coconut tree is the flowering plant. Do you know what plant is this? This is a sugarcane plant. This is a periwinkle plant. Which plant has parallel veins? Look at the leaf of the periwinkle plant. It has netted veins. The veins of the sugarcane leaf are parallel. Thus, sugarcane plant has parallel veins leaf. Have you seen this plant before? It's a frangipani plant. What about this plant? Do you know what it is? It's a chivas plant. Which one has fibrous root? Thus, the chivas plant has fibrous roots. Flower, leaf, stem, root, flowering plant, non-flowering plant, woody stem, non-woody stem, netted leaf veins, parallel leaf veins, taproot, fibrous root.